don't know what I'm talking about.
Hey.
That's a go.
Hey.
This one's for the one in love, and for the one who's found that one and placed no one above. Kwabena Kwabena, I worry for the more I'm a chimpina. So that was the one to me, the one tonight. This one is for y'all.
Inti watu kwe minye deni midena sauni wa metano wadindi anebekumia mama fwaka yatia minye deni inti midowu kwe minye deni oh yeah wako hey missy wako
Damn, I can't believe she's leaving. I can't believe it's already midnight. I can't believe we at the airport. I can't believe she's about to take flight. She's leaving on the jet plane, and I don't know if she'll be back again, and it's driving me insane. And though I try to be your man, it's not easy for me to watch her go. Now I know today is never promised tomorrow. Oh, hey, ti wukwe me ya den cry. Uko shell London we jam me wa cry. Brown nim sa we nim sum ni wa me ninku uku makoma na me cry.
It's so hard to say bye bye. Me don't kweti Kwabena Kwabena. Matini sio.
Bema pa tini sio.
Have
you ever been in love so deep? When you think about her, you can't sleep. When you wake up, she's the air you breathe. But now for some reason, she's got to leave. And you wish there was another way out. And it hurts so bad, like ouch. Now you have to live without her. And like Michael Bolton, you thinking how? Cause your world evolved around her. And ever since the day that you found her, you made her queen of your heart. You made her queen, you crowned her. But now she's got a job offer. Decision making is tougher. You don't wanna be a selfish lover, so you gotta let her go cause you love her.
Zauni wa metano wadindi anebekumia mama fwaka yatia minye deni oh yeah minye deni oh yeah.
Everybody put your hands up high and waving from side to side. If you ever have tears in your eye because you had to say goodbye, everybody put your hands up high and waving from side to side. If you ever had tears in your eye because you had to say goodbye.
It's so hard to say bye bye. Me don't kweti Kwabena Kwabena. Matini sio.
Bema pa tini sio. Bema pa tini sio.
It's so hard to say bye bye. Me don't kweti Kwabena Kwabena. Matini sio.
This one's for the one in love, and for the one who's found that one and placed no one above. Asem Kwabena, I worry for the more I'm a chimpina. So that was the word to me, the one tonight.